Dear students, open page number 60, chapter number 7, Agriculture and Irrigation in Pakistan. Agriculture has been carried out in the fertile plains of Indus for thousands of years. However, agriculture methods have been changing over the years. Today, the farmers still use the basic tools on the land, but many new and modern machines are also used. Modern improvements include the use of tractor, threshers, improved seeds, insecticides, pesticides, and fertilizers. Irrigation methods have also been improved. All the workers in Pakistan make up the workforce. Agriculture employed 64% of the total workforce in 1950-51, but by 2017-18 this dropped to 38.5%. This does not mean that the production has decreased. It means the large farms machines are used nowadays. It also means that the people are working in many other jobs. Over the years, production from farms and the area on which crops are grown have been increased. Crops. Much of the land in Pakistan is not very fertile. Crops do not grow well as such in and on such land. Punjab is the best area for crops because of its fertile soil and irrigation system. It makes up a quarter of the total area of Pakistan but has over 57% of the cultivated land in the country. Food crops, Kharif and Rabi crops. Almost 70% of cultivated land is used to grow food crops. In Pakistan, we grow Kharif crops. In summer, Kharif crops include cotton, rice, maize and millets. In winter, we grow Rabi crops, which include wheat, gram, masoor, rapeseed and mustard. Wheat. This is a staple food. Staple food are found which form the basis of the everyday diet of the country. For example, the staple food of Bangladesh and China is rice. Most of the farmed areas in Pakistan is taken up by the wheat, which grows well in places that have mild temperature and a small amount of rainfall. This crop is sown in October and November and harvested in April and May. In the Western Himalayas, the yield amount produced per acre is not very high. The Indus Plains produce much more because of land is flatter with a richer soil. Pakistan produced about 25.1 million tons of wheat in 2017-18. Rice. Pakistan produced over 7.4 million tons of rice during 2017-18. Rice grows well in warm places that have plenty of moisture. The rice plantations are mostly in the lower Punjab and Sindh. The Iri, Basmati and Desi varieties of rice are grown here. The best among these is Basmati, which is mostly exported to Middle East. Other varieties are exported to various Asian countries. Pakistan is the fifth largest rice exporter in the world, and Pakistani rice is exported to over 100 countries including China, Afghanistan, Saudi Arabia, Kenya, Nigeria, the Philippines, Sierra Leone, Somalia, Thailand, Chile, Denmark, Djibouti, Mauritius, Niger, Zimbabwe, Indonesia and UAE. Many EU states, the USA, Iran and Japan. Maize. Maize is another name of corn. It is a kharif crop that grows in warm places with moderate rainfall. The main maize growing region is in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Maize is usually used for animal fodder and for producing corn oil. Pakistan produces over 3.5 million tons of maize every year. Millet. Millet is hardly cereal which can grow even in poor soils with very little water. Two important millet crops are jawar and bajra and are grown in Pakistan. Bajra is grown mainly in the Tharparkar district of Sindh. Jawar is grown in mainly the part of Punjab and Sindh. Pulses. Pulses are a good source of protein. Gram, chana, lentils. Lentils include masoor, moong and mash are some important pulses grown here, that is in Pakistan. Pulses well grow in sandy soil that is well drained. oil seeds. We will read in next lecture. Dear student, these are book reading questions of chapter number 7. Write these questions on a sticky note. Later we will mark the answer of these questions on book. Question number 1, book reading, is on page number 60. Second paragraph, modern improvement include the use of tractor, threshers, improved seeds, insecticide, pesticides, and fertilizer. Irrigation methods have also been improved. Answer of question number 2, book reading, is with blue marking. Wheat, which grows well in places that have mild temperature and a small amount of rainfall. Answer of question number 3, book reading, is with purple. Rice grows well in warm places that have plenty of moisture. The answer of question number 4, book reading, is in maize topic, third line, with black marking. Maize is mainly used for animal fodder and for producing corn oil. Pakistan produces over 3.5 million tons of maize every year. Answer of question number 5, book reading, is with yellow marking, millet topic, third line. Bajra is grown mainly in the Tharparkar district of Sindh. Jawar is grown mostly in Punjab and Sindh. The answer of 6, book reading, is in topic pulses with green marking. Gram, chana, lentils, masoor, moong and mash are some important pulses grown in Pakistan or here. Dear student, we will do these questions in this lecture.